The most important conversation is the one we have with ourselves. If we are constantly feeding ourselves with, it's impossible, I'm not smart enough, I'm just not supposed to be here, you're going to believe that. But if you start to feed yourself with the proper mental nutrition, what happens is you start to believe in yourself. And the more you believe in yourself, the more you believe if one man or one person can do this, another one can. There's energy all around us, but we think that we have to have it. It has to come externally a lot of times. We gotta have like a TV in front of us, watch somebody, listen to a podcast, listen to a great music. A lot of times in life it's fucking quiet. And those are the times when you want to run and hide. You gotta be able to find energy. You gotta make up games, make up tricks, make up whatever you can to get to the next evolution of life. So taking souls is just another way. It's not about hurting the person you're against. It's about finding a tactical advantage in every situation you fucking physically can to get to the next. You're trying to inch further to the goal line, whatever it is for you. For me, I want to get through Hell Week. I want to get through Hell Week with my head up high, being strong. I don't know what the goal line is for everybody. My goal line has been very different for most people. But you're trying to find energy and strength to stay in the fight, to continue on until you get that second wind. The second wind is coming, whenever the second wind may be for you. It's coming. But what happens is we get so stressed out that the end is so far away that we just can't find another foothold or another handhold, so we jump off the cliff and we just fall.
Don't be consumed with them. Problems are a part of life, but guess what? They're not life. I want you to focus on your dreams. I want you to focus on your goals. I want you to focus on your solutions. Like, I want you to focus on that dream life that you have. All I'm telling you is stop letting the problems consume you. I'm going to say it again. I don't care who you are. We're either going in a storm, like for real. You're literally going in a storm. You're actually in it or you're coming out of it. There's no way around it. So just be careful not to allow the trials or the tribulations to consume you.
Shut off your phones, shut off all technology, find a dark, quiet place for you to think. You have to think first. And then when you think, you have to think, okay, what's my purpose in life? From your purpose, now you found, okay, I found my purpose. What are my goals now? Okay, you find your goals. Now you got to sit down and plan. Plan, how am I going to accomplish these goals? Then from there, the hardest part is you have to put the action in. And that's where everybody fails, the action part. But you have to quiet the noise. The world's moving too fast right now. You have to stop it and say, what am I all about? And where am I going? But it takes being raw and real with yourself.